On a subway platform, the yellow safety line may look like a simple warning. Stand behind it. Do not step too close to the edge. But that line is not only about careless feet, it is also about invisible air. When a train enters a station, it does not move through empty space. It pushes air in front of it and drags air along its sides. A train is large, fast, and close to the platform. That means the air around it can move violently. You feel this before the train even stops. A gust of wind rushes down the platform. Loose paper lifts, clothing flutters. People instinctively lean back. That wind is not random. It is part of the train's slipstream. Air is a fluid. We often forget that because it is invisible, but it obeys fluid mechanics just like water. When the train moves, nearby air is forced to move with it. Air close to the train moves faster than air farther away. This creates changing pressure zones and turbulent flow near the platform edge. A simple version of Bernoulli's principle says that faster moving fluid can be associated with lower pressure. In the real subway environment, the situation is more complicated because the flow is turbulent and the train shape matters. But the practical result is clear. Near a fast train, air pressure and air motion can change quickly. That change can pull at clothing, bags, umbrellas, or loose objects. It can also disturb a person's balance. The risk is worse because the platform edge leaves no room for error. A small stumble that would be harmless elsewhere can become dangerous beside a moving train. There is also a human factor. People near the edge often look down the tunnel, turn their bodies, check their phones, or shift their weight. If a crowd is behind them, even a light push can matter. The yellow line gives space for reaction. It creates a buffer between ordinary passenger movement and the dangerous airflow zone. The safety line also protects against another problem, misjudging distance. A train entering a station may appear slower or farther away than it really is. Bright lights, noise, and crowding reduce attention. A clear visual boundary helps people follow the rule automatically. This is why the line is usually bright yellow. Yellow is highly visible against dark platform materials. It catches the eye quickly, even in poor lighting or peripheral vision. So the safety line is not decoration. It is a simple public safety system based on physics and human behavior. Behind the line, the air is calmer, and there is more space to recover from a mistake. In front of the line, you are closer to moving metal, fast air, pressure changes, and turbulence. A train arriving at a station is not just a vehicle on rails, it is also a moving wall of air. That is why one of the simplest rules in public transportation is scientifically serious: stay behind the yellow line.